brand's entry into the lightweight adventure bike category. Built upon the existing G310R platform manufactured in India, BMW tailored this dual-purpose machine by incorporating off-road friendly components. Over the years, the G310 GS has undergone minor revisions, primarily to meet Euro 5 compliance standards. In 2021, the motorcycle received notable upgrades such as full LED lighting, adjustable levers, an anti-hopping clutch, automatic idle boost, and an electronic throttle. As of 2023, the BMW G310 GS, priced at $6,485 with rally paint, retains the same 313 cubic centimeters DOHC liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with a backward-facing cylinder and cylinder head, as found in the G310R. However, the Adventure variant boasts increased suspension travel, 7.1 inches compared to the R's just over 5 inches, a 19-inch front wheel, an extended wheelbase, and a more relaxed steering head angle at 26.7 degrees, compared to the G310R's 25.1 degrees. Drawing inspiration from its larger counterpart, the R1250 GS, BMW's G310 GS incorporates design elements that lend the lightweight adventure bike a full-size aesthetic, complemented by a relatively low seat height of 32.8 inches. Notably, the absence of ride modes is accompanied by the sole electronic rider aid, a non-switchable ABS. Models from 2020 and earlier feature switchable ABS. The 313 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine delivers an impressively linear power delivery throughout its range, reaching an approximate redline of 11,000 RPM. Our in-house DynoJet 250i dynamometer recorded the 2023 BMW producing 30.5 horsepower at 9,420 RPM and 18.8 pound-ft of torque at 7,460 RPM. Peak power manifests after 9,000 RPM, notably impacting on-road performance. Revving the engine to its cutoff maximizes drive out of corners, while its gentle bottom end proves advantageous for less experienced riders, offering easy modulation. Off-road, the power plant provides practical low-end torque, aiding traction with the road-biased Metzeler Tourance rear tire. Throttle response, though soft, remains direct, translating inputs predictably into power delivery at the rear wheel during maneuvers such as sliding corners or ascending hills. The suspension settings prioritize comfort with a soft demeanor. During urban cruising or moderate-speed canyon road exploration, the components offer ample feedback, instilling a sense of control and enhancing available surface grip. However, aggressive riding exposes the limits of the BMW suspension. Negotiating twisty roads results in the suspension bottoming out, leading to significant weight transfer and a vague steering feel. Off-road excursions benefit from the supple suspension, adeptly absorbing rocks and small obstacles. Yet, pushing through a rugged section reveals the component's limitations, making the bike challenging to handle. According to Cycle World's automotive scales, the